it's not your water, it's your water lines. In this training, we'll walk through the Sterisil SAFEWater solution and Sterisil straws, how they work, how to choose the right one, and how to install and maintain them. The Sterisil SAFEWater solution is a dental unit waterline safety protocol that's designed to maintain colony-forming unit counts well below the CDC's 500 CFU per milliliter limit, keeping your practice compliant and your patients safe. It simplifies water safety by reducing it to 3 steps: test, shock, and maintain. CFU stands for colony-forming unit, and it's what we use to measure your dental unit waterline's bacterial count. While the CDC's limit is 500 CFU per milliliter, Sterisil's treatment products are designed to keep your bacterial count 50 times lower at 10 CFU per milliliter. How does it work? Well, it's simple. Just test, shock, and maintain. Let's break it down. As the third and final step of the Sterisil SAFEWater solution, Sterisil straws provide continuous, silver-based antimicrobial protection to keep CFU levels well below the CDC's limit of 500 CFU per milliliter. The straw fits directly into your water bottle for simple, year-long protection. Sterisil straws use silver, not iodine, as their active ingredient because, unlike iodine, silver ions elute at a controlled and consistent rate, meaning Sterisil can guarantee to maintain CFU counts below 10 per milliliter for a full 365 days, resulting in less work for you. Additionally, silver is odor-free and works in synergy with the rest of our silver-based product line for consistent, predictable results. Continue watching to learn how to install the Sterisil straw. Begin by removing the dental bottle from the manifold. For a new straw installation, open the Sterisil straw box and note the warranty card and directions. Please take the time to return the warranty online. Remove the straw from the box using new gloves, then remove the straw from the wrapped paper and disinfect. Insert the lure lock, located on the straw, into the cut end of the pickup tube. Ensure the straw is screwed tightly onto the lure lock. The straw will not function properly if it is not pushed all the way into the tubing. To replace the straw next year, simply twist off the existing straw while keeping the pickup tube and lure lock in place and twist on the new one. Once the pickup tube is pushed all the way in, cut the pickup tube with scissors, leaving 1/4 of an inch between the bottom of the straw and the bottom of the bottle. Fill your bottle with distilled water, leaving 1 inch of air from the top to ensure proper airflow and pressurization. Slide the bottle over the straw and connect it back to the manifold. Add your Shock Now in Use tag to remind staff to flush shock from the lines before beginning any patient care procedures. The final step is to shock the system. Purge hand pieces and all other water lines into a small container until you see the color come through. The initial shock from the Sterisil straw colors the water blue. Run all lines attached to the dental units into a white cup until blue tinted water appears exiting each line. Run no more than 6 ounces or 3/4 of a cup of water during this process. Allow all lines to remain unused for a minimum of 8 hours. For best results, allow shock to remain in the lines over the weekend. Prior to the use of the dental unit, flush all dental lines until the blue tint disappears, which is approximately 4 ounces. When using Sterisil straws and Citrisil shock together, you don't need to remove the straw when testing or shocking. This means fewer steps and no system downtime for your waterline treatment. With the right straw and proper maintenance, your waterlines stay safe, compliant, and patient-ready all year long. Remember, it's not your water, it's your water lines.